Okay, it's April 1st and it is unboxing day of version 0.9 of the Manitou Gameworks initial game. This arrived very quickly from ManitouGameworks.com. I just ordered it at the beginning of the week and look at this, priority mail, first class. In fact, I think it arrived, thanks to the post office, a day earlier than expected. So let's crack into it and see what we can find. I'm sure there's some way to crack this bugger open, but we'll go at it the old-fashioned hard way. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Wow. First, they've used the zero-cost priority mail packing box, so that's really great. A little bit of a loose craft paper here. You can see that I guess a canister came, it was able to move around quite a bit. So hopefully, I mean, that's maybe a little bit of learning there. A little bit too much movement, maybe cause some abrasion on the inside. But anyway, it's good, it's recyclable. Nothing really that can go be lost or wasted here. So let's set the packing material aside. I'm guessing this is the bottom. Little disappointing that when you open the package, you don't see the top of the box or the canister of the package, but let's flip it over. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Manitou. An eye is a lighthouse with a little dotted eye. Manitou Gameworks, ManitouGameworks.com. Very exciting. Nice metal tin. Despite the pretty, frankly, kind of crappy packaging or buffering that was inside of it, the tin is in really good shape and made it across the country no problem. All right, doesn't appear to be any tape. That's good. So we can just simply, very easily open it. Oh, it comes up very smoothly. Nice little, vacuum in there, so it kind of gives that little tug to get the lid off. And we take the lid off and set that aside. That's a very satisfying sound, isn't it? What do we have in here now? Manitou. Is that a sticker? My goodness, I think it's a sticker. I think it's another one of these stickers. So I could put this like on my laptop or backpack or back of my car alongside all the little icons of all the kids and dogs and pets that I've got. Nice little extra touch there. Very much appreciate that. Okay, develop, defend, thrive. A strategy card game that plays like a board game. Look at this, nice, heavy paper. Appears to be the instruction manual. Very nice, very simple too. Very crisp and clear. The goal set up and the play. Doesn't appear to be, it's not like it's gonna take years and years to sort of figure out the rules of it. Probably years to master it and become make it to some global tournaments. But tells me what's in here. I got 48 hexagon shaped cards, a reference card, origin card. We'll learn more about that in a minute. Daytime cards, nighttime cards, whirlpool, specialty card. Oh, that's so exciting. Lighthouse specialty cards and bridge specialty cards. Really nice. Shows me some pictures of what things look like. Strategies, copyright, up to date. Ooh, look at this. Even has a part number on it. That's a pretty long part number. Suggests that this is a really big company with lots of parts. 20210307. Very exciting. All right, so what do we have in the inside of the canister? Wow, look at these. Might be hard to tell, but these are heavy cardstock with a little bit of a satin texture to them. So they've got a nice feel, sort of like a playing card would be. QR codes, nice idea in case you lose the instructions. You've got a QR code that you can scan for rules, and actually a really good idea, because I'm sure as time goes on, Manitou Gameworks will come with game variations, alternatives, ideas, competitions. So great way to stay engaged with customers over time, because they can continue to update wherever that goes to. Description of the cards. Oh, this is so exciting. This is so exciting. So here are the cards. I don't know what that one is. I think that's the origin card. That's where the beginning of the game starts. And then all of these cards, look at these. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at that artwork on there. The moon, I guess, suggests that that's nighttime. Oh, this is spectacular. I'm so excited. Can't wait. Ooh, 7. That must be the population of that island. This is just fantastic. Just spectacular. Look at these. All these beautiful cards. colors, good contrast. So for those of us that might be a little bit colorblind or have a difficult seeing, no problem telling the difference between night and daytime cards. Really cool. Very cool. Wow, well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is the unboxing of the latest, the newest game from Manitou Gameworks, Manitou version 0.9. Thanks for tuning in, and subscribe to my channel to see more unboxing. Bye.